In this video, I'll show you how to add Loox reviews to your PageFly page in just a few minutes, so you can build trust and boost conversions fast. Start by opening your web browser and logging into your Shopify admin. Before anything else, make sure Loox photo reviews and PageFly are already installed on your store. This is essential for everything to work properly. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, then open Themes and click Customize on your active theme. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel and open App Embeds. Find Loox and enable the Loox core script. This step is important because it allows Loox reviews to display correctly across your store. Save your changes. Now head back to Shopify and open PageFly. Select the page where you want to show Loox reviews and open it in the PageFly editor. On the left sidebar, click the third-party elements icon, usually shown as a puzzle or integration symbol. In the integrations pop-up, find Loox product reviews. From here, you can drag and drop either the Loox reviews widget or the star rating element onto your PageFly page. Place it where it fits best, such as below the product details or near the add to cart area. Once everything looks good, save your page and publish it. That's it. Your Loox reviews are now live on PageFly, giving your product pages instant social proof and more credibility. Happy selling!